The chicken sits on its egg for 21 days, abi? And at the end of these 21 days, they hatch, the chicks come out. There are some that have failed. They disappoint their mother. They don't come outside. So you get one of those eggs. It's called Akwa Olu. You take it outside your house and you say that you have worked, that you have worked. You call on your chi. You say, my chi, I have worked. I have hustled. I have put in the work. And any energy, anything that says that that your efforts will not hatch into something that you will be proud of, so that you will not become disappointed. Ifebo ifuke, ifebo olu mgbayeli return agbabilu. Yotago. Ifebo failure, premature death, suffering, equator. Ifebo aputala ife. You know what I'm saying? Ifebo aputala ife. That energy will not be attached to you. That is your chi. Na nyabu ife bu ife aputala ife. Energy obuna bu nyabu ife. Na ọma ọbụla n'isi gị ka ọ ya ada. Na ị ya na-achụ aja ka ikpe na-ama ndị mmụọ. That you be performing sacrifices. Let the spirits take the credit or the blame. That anything that says that you are not going to shine, that this your effort that you have put is going to end like an egg that has refused to hatch, a rotten egg. That it is this rotten egg now that you are holding that thing will fall on, and not you. Then you take that egg outside, you say other things about disappointment, on failure. You know, think on the energy of that egg. Think about how the mother, think about the energy. And then you say all that and say that energy and whatever it is should land on that egg and not on you. Then you take that egg, you do anti-clockwise 4 times. Anti-clockwise is from your left ear through the back of your head to the right ear, through the front of your head to the left ear again 4 times. You say it's on this egg now that negative energy, any ifuke, ifakugoli obuna is on this egg and not you. Then you take that egg outside, you break it outside the road, right? Outside, because you don't want to break that nasty energy inside your house. Ideally, you want to go and break it in a 4 junction because it's a very nasty energy. You break it outside there. When going there, you went with ntwala, ash that has stayed overnight. You take that ash, after you break that egg, you sprinkle that ash on it, and while you are sprinkling it, you are saying that onya na-ekili ekili adịrọ mma ikpo ntụ. That you now that people are looking forward to your coming out and becoming somebody. That you now that knows that you are looking forward to you coming out and becoming somebody. That you now that you are in the public space, that you are a star, that person that is being watched is not good to be sprinkled ash on. Meaning shame will not fall on you, but rather that all this aqua, that it is this egg now that shall be upon, that fate shall be upon, and you sprinkle that ash on that egg. You're saying that it is this egg that this ash should be sprinkled upon, not you. But that your good face, a good face is not good to be pinched and spoiled. That your face is going to be good. You get? So that anything that is any energy should fall on this egg and not on you. Then you while going to that place as well, you went with gunpowder as well. And after that, you line gunpowder beside the egg, use incense, a burning stick of incense, and say that now ozi ezi anwụrụ ọkụ elugo n'eluigwe, and you light that gunpowder and you send that energy away, and then you turn back. Ideally, somebody is waiting for you outside with water to wash your hand. You can also use sand from that ground to wash your hand as well. Not from that ground, from a clean ground, right? Aja. So that is like you have washed your hand of this thing, and then maybe you want to use also as well. You know what I'm saying? Just clean yourself and just go back inside the house. That's how you use Akwa Olu. This is the other part of the video that is easier, which is already on my YouTube. So why I made this long, this way now, these details, I'm also going to upload it to my YouTube. So thanks for asking.